Got the baddest bitch in the city, so don't fuck around. Know them hoes is out to get me, they don't hold me down. Know me now, act like you don't know me now. Let my bitch off the purse, she get 100 rounds. 100 rounds, hold me down.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing this regular center part. I mentioned that I probably will be restyling this, but for now I'm gonna just keep it in the center part. And I just wanted to play with the baby hairs and just see what I can do. Now, I did not comb out the baby hairs. I'm honestly really scared to, so I want to catch a picture of baby hairs before I comb them out, because I feel like once I comb them out, they're not gonna be the same. So if you want to know how I got these quick little messy baby hairs, then keep watching. So guys, right now I'm putting on some Skin Guard. I don't really use Skin Guard, but today I just wanted to try it for the sake of this video. And I'm just prepping my wigs, getting ready to put it on or whatever. Now, I mentioned it so many times in the video, but I'm gonna mention it again. I'm so sorry for this lighting. Like, I'm in a different location, as you can see, so the lighting isn't the best. But we're just gonna work what we got. Also, I do want to mention I'm really focused on the baby hairs today. I wanted to do messy baby hairs, but I feel like the styles be the same for the most part. So I wasn't really, focused too much on the actual hairstyle. Now I'm going to go on my Erica J adhesive. Y'all know I swear by Erica J products. There's nothing new here. But if you don't know, now you know, okay? I swear by Erica J products. She get me right every single time. And I only put a little bit because I don't plan on keeping this on for too long. But I definitely was like, let me just put on a little bit just to give it a nice firm hold, After I let the hair sit for about 10 minutes, I went in and cut the lace off. Now, this lace was a bit weird. It was like pinkish a little bit, so it was a little too dark, but I made it work for what it could do. Like, it blended, but it didn't really blend at the same time. But it doesn't look bad at all, to be honest. I was worried, though. I'm not going to front, but, I made it work. Y'all, I was working on these baby hairs forever. I was like, I don't know what type of baby hairs I want to do. I was just like kind of going with the flow. So just be patient, y'all. But I was going in every single direction. Y'all know how it goes. Alright, y'all, so let's see what this is giving. It's just giving very messy baby hairs. I honestly did this one by accident and came out like a little heart, but it was cute or whatever. But I really just wanted a real messy baby hair look, but I'm so scared. I want to comb them out so they're not like stuck to my forehead. But I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I'm really scared. I got mousse all down my face and everything. Like the moussage, like the way this was dripping was like crazy. Like seriously, we're just gonna put a little bit of we're gonna put a little bit of mousse on this top right here, because we need the hair to lay flat. Always apply mousse when you want your hair to lay it just a little bit flatter. We're gonna push this to the front. And tomorrow, honestly, I might wind up putting it in an updo, bringing some little pieces down and like showing the baby hairs a little bit. But for right now, I'm gonna just keep it styled like this. So make sure y'all let me know what y'all think about this look. Once again, the light is below mine. Like, I hate the lighting in this video, which I know. Tune into my vlog if you want to know everything that's going on right now. Other than that, let me know what you guys think of this video. Like, if you like this video, comment down below, let me know your thoughts, and subscribe for more videos from me. I'm gonna see y'all in my next video. Bye, loves.
Got a bitch in the city, so don't fuck around. Know them hoes is out to get me, they don't hold me down. Know me now.